I am Milan Shah and you are watching Happy Academy. Today we discuss one of the scoring subject, statistic. In statistic we discuss time series. In this video we only cover the theory of time series. So शुरू करें. Before starting any chapter, we should understand the purpose of the chapter. So let's start with why should learn time series. Before giving an answer, I would like to ask another question. How many percentage you will secure in 12th annual exam? आप में से कोई उत्तर देगा 80%, कोई उत्तर देगा 89%, कोई तीसरा उत्तर देगा 75%. आप सभी उत्तर दोगे on the basis of your first exam result as well as the second exam result. उसके सिवा भी बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट करते हैं. कम टू द मेन पॉइंट, why should learn time series? Obviously for the future forecasting, which is totally uncertain. We can do the forecasting but only on the basis of available past data. In short, we can get the predictable future data with the help of time series. In time series, it is called as a one tool for the future forecasting. अब याद करो, मैंने आपको पहले एक प्रश्न पूछा था कि आप 12th में कितने परसेंटेज सिक्योर करेंगे. आपने उसका उत्तर भी दिया था, फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्ट किया था, बट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पास्ट अवेलेबल डेटा. उसी प्रकार आप टाइम सीरीज की बेसिस से फ्यूचर के डेटा प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो. लेट मी डिस्कस द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. Population inquiry have been conducting at every 10 years. On the basis of past data, we can predict the population data for 2021. Same as on the basis of past import and export data, we can predict the future import and export data, as well as in the field of production, as well as in the field of sales. Same as. Now we discuss meaning of time series. In simple term, the data collected and arranged according to time is called time series. Here, two important keywords you should note: collected and arranged. Let's understand this definition with the help of one example. Here we take years 95, 97, 99, 2001, 2003. Second, cells in lakhs, 10 lakhs, 14, 18, 25, 29 respectively. In this example, you should note that this data must be collected and it should be arranged as per the year. Now, we see the another definition. A time series is a set of observations taken at specified time periods. Now understand the second definition. Here the set of data or observation means cells data, which is given at specific time period. Students, here 2 points must be noted. First point, observations are taken at equal interval time. Now here the cells data are taken for the year 1995, 97, 99, 2001, 2003. It's an equal interval time of 2 years. Second important point is that in the time series there are always two variables. One variable is time, which is denoted as t, This variable is independent variable, while second variable, which is dependent variable and denoted by yt. Here in the example, here it is denoted as a t and sales data is denoted as yt, which is depended on number of years. Now move to next topic, importance of time series. As you know, there are various uncertainty in trade and business activities. So, in this era, the information collected in the form of time series is extremely essential. First importance of time series is that from the past data, we can know the direction and pattern of variations in time series. Direction of time series means वैल्यू ऑफ डेटा वो आपकी इंक्रीज़ हो रही है, डिक्रीज़ हो रही है, डिक्रीज़ इंक्रीज़ हो रही है या इंक्रीज़ डिक्रीज़ हो रही है. अब वेरिएशन का मतलब समझ लो. वेरिएशन मीन्स डिफरेंस, बट डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्चुअल एंड प्रिडिक्टेबल डेटा. अंडरस्टैंड विद वन एग्जाम्पल. मान लो आपने सेल्स आपका प्रिडिक्ट किया है 25 लैक्स, बट आपको एक्चुअली में सेल्स होता है 20 लैक्स का. तो दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है 5 लैक्स इस कॉल्ड एज वेरिएशन. तो उस वेरिएशन की पैटर्न को भी हम जान सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ टाइम सीरीज. सेकंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम सीरीज इज दैट with the help of past time series data, we can predict future data. So, we can take important decisions for future. यही पॉइंट को हम एक एग्जाम्पल के माध्यम से समझते हैं. मान लो कोई बिजनेसमैन है और उसके बिजनेस के पास्ट डेटा प्रॉफिट के दिए गए हैं एंड वो प्रॉफिट कंटिन्यूसली रिड्यूस हो रहा है. सो वो पास्ट डेटा की बेसिस से हम फ्यूचर प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं कि फ्यूचर में भी उनका प्रॉफिट रिड्यूस होगा. यहाँ पर हमने फ्यूचर के डेटा प्रिडिक्ट किए विद द हेल्प ऑफ टाइम सीरीज, बट उसकी बेसिस से हम इम्पोर्टेंट फ्यूचर डिसीजन भी ले सकते हैं. थर्ड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम सीरीज इज दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ टाइम सीरीज वी कैन डू कंपेरेटिव स्टडी ऑफ 2 or more इंडस्ट्रीज. अब हम यही पॉइंट को एक एग्जाम्पल के माध्यम से समझते हैं. मान लो मोटरसाइकिल इंडस्ट्री है, उसमें बजाज एंड सेकंड वन इम्पोर्टेंट कंपनी इज हीरो. दोनों डिफरेंट कंपनियों के सेल्स डेटा दिए हैं. हम उसकी कंपैरेटिव स्टडी भी कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ टाइम सीरीज. ये टाइम सीरीज की मेन 3 इम्पोर्टेंस हैं. Move on next topic, components of time series. As we know, many factors affect on the value of variables, which brings fluctuations in the value of variable. Now types of component. There are 2 types of components, long-term components and short-term components. इन विच ऑल्सो शॉर्ट टर्म कंपोनेंट्स में 2 टाइप होती है, रेगुलर कंपोनेंट्स, इनरेगुलर कंपोनेंट्स. रेगुलर कंपोनेंट्स में भी 2 टाइप होती है, साइक्लिक कंपोनेंट्स एंड सीजनल कंपोनेंट्स. नाउ वी डिस्कस फर्स्ट वन कंपोनेंट, लॉन्ग टर्म कंपोनेंट. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ट्रेंड, विच इज़ डिनोटेड बाय TT. The fluctuation which prevail on the time series for a long period of time. It may be a 10 to 15 years or 60 to 70 years. Mostly depends on situation. But the main thing is that it gradually increase or decrease. For example, increase use of mobile phone, especially smartphone. Second one example, decrease landline phone connection over last 10 years. Second, short-term component. The fluctuation which prevail on the time series for a shorter period of time. Yes, for a shorter period of time. For example, sweaters demand in winter season. Second example, price increase or decrease during natural disaster. Now, in short-term component, there are two types, regular component and irregular component. Now, what do you mean by regular component? In a time series, fluctuation take place at regular basis is called regular component. Now in regular component also there are two types, cyclic component and seasonal component. Now what do you mean by cyclic component? If in a time series fluctuation take place for more than a year, yes, for more than a year, for regular basis is called cyclic component, which is denoted by CT. The time period is between 2 to 10 years. For example, boom condition and depression time period. Now, second regular component is seasonal component. If in a time series fluctuation take place for less than a year, yes, for less than a year on regular basis is called seasonal component, which is denoted by ST. For example, AC demand in summer season, gas geyser demand in winter season. In short-term component, another is irregular component. If in a time series fluctuation take place due to political, natural or random causes are called random or irregular component, which is denoted by RT. In short, there are two types of component, long-term component and short-term component. In short-term component also there are two types, regular component and irregular component, which is also called as a random component. In regular component also there are main two types, cyclic component and seasonal component. These all components are affect the value of variables. So yt is equal to tt means long term component plus st means seasonal component plus ct means cyclic component plus rt means irregular component or random component. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more videos notification.